Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, it is 2022. Can you believe it? How time flies when you're having fun, right? I've been doing this for all but 6 months now, and I just can't believe how fast time has gone. I can't believe how many of you I've gotten to talk to. I hope you're looking forward to what's coming in 2022. I got a lot of stuff coming. We'll talk about that more in the next video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed these LED sequentials that you guys have all been waiting for. We got to talk about these 3 giveaway winners first. I'm going to give away one now, one in the middle of the video, and then one at the very end. So make sure to stay tuned. And the first winner of the gift card is Chris Jacobs. Congratulations, Chris. Thank you so much for liking the video and commenting. I couldn't thank you enough. Make sure to stay tuned for the next 2. Let's head to the shop. So if you saw the last video where I took the taillights out, we have to do that again. So if you didn't see it, it's right up here. Click right here and go back and watch it, and then come back and finish this video. All right, so we got the lights out. We have 2 10 mils, one right here, one right here, and then 2 Phillips, one here, and then one right underneath here on either side. Then there's a clip here, clip over there on the other side of the exhaust pipe. One there, and then a couple more running down the side. So I'm going to pull the screws and the bolts out and pop the clips, and we'll pull the bumper off. Okay, so the bolts are out, the screws are out. Now what I will say is, when you're taking these screws out back here by the tire, this might not be good enough. So I highly recommend you getting yourself a 1/4-inch wrench and the little Phillips head and using that. There was only 2 clips that you needed to take out underneath, and it's the 2 right in the center. I started to take out the other ones and noticed that I didn't really have to, so I just left them in there. So what we need to do now, pry these up on both sides, pull the bumper out from underneath, and then we'll pull right off of that. Okay guys, there's a Phillips head screw right up here, and it's at a really weird angle. So be careful, don't just go pulling. Here it is. All right, this side's loose. You just gotta take it. Just be very gentle, work side to side, and it'll pop out of the bracket. And remember, if you have a tool like this or something, you can get up under these clips. Just put it there, and I'll show you here on the next side. All right, so just take your tool, push underneath, have it fall in the hole. All right, so what you need to do next, pair of pliers. Go ahead and grab those, push it right out. That easy. So this is the light we're going to be putting in today. It's a brake light, turn signal sequential. They do not have a hole for the wire. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a 1/4-inch drill bit. We're going to put a hole right in here. What you need to do, put the light in a little bit, show where you can mark with the pen, use a Sharpie, If you don't have one of these kind of pins, which you probably won't, make your mark so you can drill your hole. In case you were wondering, this is what it looks like without the bumper on. So we got the lights in the bumper. I think they actually look really cool. So what we got to do now is we got to go get a light tester and find out which ones we need to hook them up to. So this should be pretty interesting. So the gray plug with the clip at the top right port is the 4-ways and turn signals. The black plug with the clip at the top, the middle is the brake lights, and the far right port is the parking lights. The colors will be different on either side, but it's still the same. So I'm not 100% on that, but we did the test, and that's what we come up with. There was no instructions. Whoa. Hold up there, Miller, in the past. I know he wasn't 100% sure, but I know I'm 100% sure that John has just won the second gift card giveaway. Congratulations, John. Thank you for liking the videos and leaving the comments. I couldn't thank you enough. Let's head back to the shop. All right, so what I'm using is these kind of connectors. They're very hard to find. There is just a little pin prick right there that pricks the wire. It's not evasive at all.
Take this little connector, push it up over the wire. There's a little pointy thing. Just screw it down on. Then the wire goes in there. You tighten it down like that, holds it in good and snug. They came installed with these little clips on the end of the wires. I don't know what to do with them, so I'm going to cut them off. Bye-bye. With the ends cut off, you strip it back with a pair of wire strippers. That's the 2022 gauge slot, and that makes the bare wire to insert into connector on car.
Now make sure you grab the wire, pull it up over top. Okay, it's time to hook the taillight back up. Make sure everything works. Make sure to tuck that wire in behind the bumper. What happens when you turn the headlights on. Turn signal, 4-way, parking light, and brake light. All right, the bumper is back on for the most part. Got to put the screws and the bolts and the clips back in. Just like that, folks, another lighting done. I just want to thank Tater so much for helping me out. Thank you, Tater. Everybody, leave a comment in the comment section thanking Tater for helping me out. Thank you guys so much for sticking around till this part of the video. Hope you stick around to the very end just to see what it really looks like out in the dark. But it's time to get to the third and final giveaway winner. And that winner is Ashanti Kwambo. Ashanti, I hope I pronounced your name correctly. If I didn't, just let me know in the comments. But I greatly appreciate you always commenting and liking the videos. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of you who participated in liking and commenting on the videos. And to all you recent subscribers, thank you so much. And to all you past ones, it's a new year. There'll be more giveaways to come, so make sure to stay tuned for those. Chris, John, and Ashanti, I'll be reaching out to you here shortly to get your contact details, or feel free to hit me up on Facebook, Meta, if that's what you want to call it, Instagram, shoot me a message, send me your address and your contact information, or you can go to my channel, go to the About page, and my email's there. Feel free to shoot me an email as well. And as always, let's get back to the shop.
I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, then I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, then I'm never going.
Now tell me these lights are not worth 45 to 50 bucks. They look incredible. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like rating. And as always, this is your boy Miller. I'll see you in the next one.